How to automatically autofill and delete OTP codes on your iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to automatically autofill OTP codes on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done quickly and without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap General. Then look for Autofill and Passwords and tap on it. Here, you'll find your autofill settings. You may already have autofill enabled for passwords, and you can choose which password manager you want to use, such as Apple's Passwords app, Google Chrome, or another supported password manager. Now, scroll down until you find the section for verification codes. Look for the option that allows your iPhone to automatically delete verification codes after they've been used. Simply turn this setting on. Once it's enabled, your iPhone can automatically recognize one-time verification codes that arrive through messages or email. When you receive an OTP, it can be suggested or filled in automatically when you're entering the code. After the verification code has been used, your iPhone can also remove it automatically, so you don't have to go back and clean up old codes manually. And that's it. This is a simple way to make signing into your accounts faster while keeping old verification codes from piling up in your messages and email. And that's how you can automatically autofill and delete OTP codes on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.